It's so difficult to say the condition like this. We take a distance from our social environment that we call home. News spread every day, and so the fear and anxiety come day by day. Don't you realize that Earth is getting angry with us? We burned forests, we bombed ocean, we spread carbon dioxide for atmosphere from industry. We throw garbage everywhere. We caused the scars for our one and only living place, Earth. And this is the way Mother Earth is healing itself from the destruction we made. Now you see, people stop flying, people stop working, people stop riding, people stop studying. And finally, Earth is taking a break. We also are taking a break. We go back to our family and have a lot of time to catch up caused by our busy life. Both of us push our reset button. The chain of environmental damage is cut to be sustainable for a while. The very small time we left for our family and ourselves comes to the great quality. Hopefully, this reset button can make us a little bit to realize what we just did for our life. We have our own reflection moment to rethink our life again. Let's make our home a better place.